Hi everyone, thanks for joining the Rutgers Cooperative Extension of Mercer County Family and Community Health Sciences Department SNAP-Ed program. Welcome to this edition of the Family Foodie. My name is Ella and I'm a nutrition educator at the Rutgers Cooperative Extension of Mercer County Family and Community Health Sciences Department SNAP-Ed program. If you haven't already, pause here and go watch our last video titled Staying Hydrated. In that video, we discussed the importance of staying hydrated for your health and the approximate amount of water that it is recommended to drink every day. Now in this video, we'll discuss some better and healthier choices when it comes to picking your beverages. What you drink is as important as what you eat. Many beverages contain sugars and offer little or no nutrients. Using the tips presented in this video will help you make better beverage choices. The first tip is always go for water most of the time. Drink water instead of sugar-sweetened beverages. Regular soda, energy or sports drinks, and other sweetened beverages usually contain a lot of added sugar and little nutrition. Water is almost always your best choice. The next tip is to encourage healthy habits starting at a young age. Make water, low-fat or fat-free milk, or unsweetened seltzer the go-to options for your kids. You can serve 100% juice only as well, but only on occasion. No more than 4 to 6 ounce portions 1 to 2 times a day. The next tip is to use and look at nutrition facts labels when shopping for beverages. Check and compare calories, amounts of added sugars, and servings per container. The lower the calorie and added sugar content when it comes to most beverages, the better. The next tip is to carry a clean, reusable water bottle in your bag to fill up throughout the day. Tap water is easy to find. This will help reduce water bottle waste and help you save on spending less on more bottled water. Our next tip is to cut down on sugar in some of your common drinks. This includes tea and coffee. Cut down on sugars, syrups, caramel, high-calorie creamers, high-fat milks in your tea or coffee. Go for low-fat milk options or additions like nutmeg and cinnamon. Our final tip is to jazz up your drink. Perk up your plain water or seltzer water with lemon, lime, or orange slices. Maybe even try some fresh herbs like mint leaves or sage. Even try adding in some fresh or frozen berries. Follow us on Facebook for delicious recipes and other great nutrition content. Scan the QR code on the screen with your smartphone camera to be directed to our Facebook page for a quick and easy way to follow us. Stay tuned for more videos to come soon on more delicious nutrition content.